At Specialized ECU Repair, we have redesigned and resolved the most persistent and common issues in the climate control units of your 964 and 993. If your car is experiencing air conditioner or heating issues, we have the solution you need. Today, we want to showcase the features of our upgraded climate control unit. By utilizing nearly 100% new surface mount components, along with software upgrades and design improvements, we guarantee a reliable unit that will last for many years to come. Replacing the old through-hole design parts with surface-mounted components, we have resolved many issues related to cold solder joints, as well as inconsistent and unreliable functionality. After upgrading and modifying software flaws, we can ensure more efficient and precise operation. For example, in early 964 units, we have enhanced the OBD capability, enabling the control unit to provide full diagnostics and real-time values. Another improvement for 964 cars is the correction of the cabin blower fan speed. In these vehicles, the blower is always on, and the transition from speed 1 to 2 is barely noticeable. We have refined this functionality to provide more linear control, resulting in smoother fan speed adjustments that feel more natural. A significant software improvement is the addition of the fail-safe shutdown feature. The climate control system in your 964 and 993 includes a built-in function that keeps the rear blower running even after the ignition key is removed. In the original Porsche design, the blower can operate for up to 20 minutes, or if the circuit fails, it may continue running indefinitely. This can drain your battery, leading to the inconvenience of a non-start condition. Our climate control unit incorporates this critical feature into the new design, ensuring that the rear fan always shuts off 30 seconds after the ignition key is removed from the switch. All our units come with a brand new rear fan installed, replacing your old, non-working or noisy one. Additionally, we refinish the outer casing to ensure a professional look. All our units are built in-house by our professional technicians, and each one undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Enjoy peace of mind and protect your investment with the best-in-market 5-year warranty. If your unit requires replacement switches, buttons, knobs, or faceplates, we've got you covered. We stock and manufacture our own button caps and other cosmetic pieces to ensure an authentic factory look. We support the full range of Porsche part numbers and options for climate control units, including both right-hand drive and left-hand drive models, as well as factory AC and heat-only configurations. Get your unit exchanged or purchase it outright on our website, ezudoctors.com. If you prefer, feel free to call us with any questions. Our qualified sales agents are ready to assist you with any inquiries. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Porsche electronic solutions.